Freelancing or running your own business is not all fun and games the way most people make it out to be. It's not just about working at home, in coffee shops, or having all that time in your hands. Sure, you are your own boss, but this also entails taking charge of your own health insurance, making voluntary contributions to SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. Then there's taxes. Like employees, the self-employed are required to register with BIR for tax filing. When you apply for a tourist visa, loans for housing and cars, or even a credit card, one of the usual requirements is an income tax return, or ITR. Diligently keeping track of your taxes saves you from more problems in the long run. And perhaps it's time to check out Taxumo. It lets freelancers, business owners, and self-employed professionals file taxes online in minutes. That way, you can focus more on your passion and stop worrying on taxes. Sign up with us at www.taxumo.com.